In a recent political uproar in Vijayapura, BJP MLA Basanagouda Patil Yatnal has sparked controversy by making a personal attack on Karnataka Minister Dinesh Gundu Rao, targeting his family's religious background. The statement came in response to Rao's remark regarding a BJP worker questioned by the National Investigation Agency in connection with the Rameshwaram cafe blast. Yathnal's derogatory remark drew attention as he compared Minister Rao's Muslim wife to Pakistan, implying a connection between her and the country. The MLA's comment not only targeted Minister Rao but also extended to his daughters, equating them to half of Pakistan.
ಗುಂಡು ರಾವ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆಗೆ ಅರ್ಧ ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನ ಐತಿ. ಗುಂಡು ರಾವ್ ಮನೆಗೆ ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನ ಐತಿ.
ಈಗ
ಗುಂಡು ರಾವ್ ಮನೆಗೆ ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನ ಅರ್ಧವ್ರದ್ದು ಅದು ದೇಶ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಹೇಳಿಕೆ ಕೊಡೋದು ಗುಂಡು ರಾವ್ ಚಟ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಈಗ ಹರ್ಷಗೌಡ ಪಾಟೀಲ್.
These comments have led to criticism even from Rao's wife, who has said this was cheap and a derogatory comment. Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salah Digital for more such updates.